world, I'm Huân Trần Ý Nhi, Miss World Vietnam 2023. I'm deeply honored to represent my country, my beloved Vietnam, at the 72nd Miss World competition, which will take place soon in India. My journey to Miss World Vietnam crown has been challenging yet fulfilling path, where I has grown myself a lot every day and has the opportunity to contribute myself to the society and also the community. Representing my beloved Vietnam at the 72nd Miss World competition is an amazing dream come true as I carry the pride of my nation and also the desire to spread the beauty and the kindness of Vietnamese people. To me, Miss World is a special stage, a wonderful platform that we can celebrate the beauty, the talent, the confidence, also the compassionate heart of women from all around the world. I'm truly looking forward to see all of you soon in India.